Hello and welcome to another shoe unboxing. As you saw last time, I did the Donovan Mitchell shoes, the Don issue 1, and this time I'm going to be unboxing for you the Puma Thunderspace. I found these in Footlocker on sale as I was doing a bit of shopping yesterday for the new year. Had to get my outfit for the night, but yeah, here we have it, the Puma Thunderspace. I would class these as a little dad shoe. I might be wrong, so let me know in the comments. But yeah, you've got, this is the black leather colorway. You've got a white one as well, which is leather too. I'll put a picture of that in the video for you. But yeah, I wore these shoes for a little bit yesterday to go to play basketball, and they were super comfy. I've got this support here for your Achilles, but the shoe itself is just really nice. It's nice to look at, in my opinion. And honestly, I'm glad I found these, because these are sort of like, I'd say an unknown shoe, because I don't really know anyone who knows the Thunderspace. Because I've seen the Thunder Spectre, I've seen the Thunder Desert, but I haven't seen the Thunderspace anywhere on YouTube. There might be some reviews out there on Google, so I suggest Googling.Maybe you'll find a review on them, get your own opinion on this. But in my opinion, if you saw these on sale and you're wondering whether to cop them, I'd 100% cop them. But I personally believe they were worth how much I spent for them, and they honestly, just look at them, they're a very nice shoe. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this unboxing. It was a quick one, well, unboxing slash review, but yeah, it was a quick one. Hope you all have a good new year, and see you guys next time for more videos, hopefully some more basketball and vlogs. Peace.